Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play. Excuse me, my throat was, had something there. Hello there. I'm starting all over. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Alright, so let's get started right away. We're going to make some stewed chicken with peppers and onions on the stove with gravy. And vegetables and rice. Alright, so I want to do this, of course, on a low budget. I bought 40 pounds of chicken legs, and each leg came out to 51 cents. So I'm going to be using 2 legs. I cut the meat off the bone. This is one, and this is the other one. Okay? So we're into the meat for $1.02 for the 2 chicken thighs. That's what I'm talking about. And we're going to feed 4. How about that? Let's do it. Okay, so we're going to be using this frying pan. And I'm going to put some, I had some olive oil in it, and put a little bit more. I don't use much, I use a little at a time, and you can see there's the oil down there, very little. Okay, let's get that started. Okay, I need my vegetables, 1 second. Okay, I'm going to be using these baby whole carrots. And this package cost $1.29. I'm going to use half the package. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is season my chicken. Black pepper. Mustard. Brown mustard. Celery salt. Using a little salt tonight. Paprika. Granulated onion. Let me cut that off a minute until I get this done. Okay, and now I'm going to turn it over and do the same thing. Use the same seasonings. That's what the seasonings is looking like. So I'm just going to turn it over. Look how big these pieces are, and I cut it right off the bone. Family of 4. Gonna eat this. Okay, same seasonings, granulated onion, paprika, celery salt, brown mustard. Turn the fire back on. I'm ready for it. Black pepper. Okay, so the first thing I would like to do is I'm going to cook my, I'm going to brown the chicken. So I want this really hot, so I'm going to put a little piece in to test the waters. Okay, it's sizzling. I just want to brown it on both sides first, get a little color on it. Okay, I cut up one large white onion, and this is equal about, I'd say, 1 pepper. I got a few strands of yellow in there. Excuse me. Okay, I'm going to let this cook for another 3 minutes, and then I'm going to take it out and I'll bring you back. Okay, so the only thing that you missed is I took some of the pieces and I cut it in half again. Because remember, you can make it work, and that's what I did. So it was like maybe 5 or 6 pieces. I cut them in half the long way, and so you can see I multiplied the yield. Okay, so we're going to put the onions in, the peppers, a little more olive oil. I'm going to put some garlic in here. Okay, I got about a tablespoon of garlic. I'm going to put the cover on that, and we'll be back in 5 minutes when that's done. Okay, so our onions and peppers are done. We want to leave them so that we can complete the chicken. Remember, we just browned the chicken. It is not done. So we're going to put that back in. Okay, I put half the bag of carrots, half the bag, in the microwave. There they are. Okay, now we're going to add this to the chicken. Okay, I'm going to cover this and let this cook for about another 5 minutes. And then we'll add our gravy. And I got to give you the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day is save, 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 save on your grocery bill. Okay? So you don't have to buy a 40-pound case of chicken like I did. You can buy yours by the package, but make sure that that package is cheap enough and have enough chicken in it to break it down to many meals. You've seen I only used 2 chicken thighs to accomplish this meal for 4. So let's do the math on this important word of the day. 2 chicken thighs, $1.02. Each one was 51 cents. A half a bag of carrots. You notice I didn't use the whole bag. I only used half, 65 cents. 1 onion, $1. 1 pepper, $1. And a package of gravy, that's 44 cents. I'm going to call it 50 cents. So we're into the whole meal for a family of 4 for $4.17. Come on, guys. $4.17. That's less than $1.05 a person. That's what I'm talking about. Now that's the best word of the day. Okay, let's put our gravy in. Okay, I have a package of chicken gravy mix. I got this at Job Lot. Job Lot, all gravies is 44 cents in this package. That's what I'm talking about, 44 cents. You know, if you go to the grocery store, it's like $1.70. 44 cents, Job Lot. Okay, so we're going to put the gravy in and we'll mix it around, and then I'll add the water. I have my water here ready. So on the bottom of the frying pan is all the goodness from cooking the chicken and the peppers and onions, so all the flavors on the bottom. We're going to mix that in. So you see what I'm doing? So at first I added the gravy, and I'm going to mix it in like this. So it gets all stuck to the chicken and vegetables. Okay, now we're going to add the water. So this is a, let me get a 3-ounce glass. Okay, I have a 3-ounce glass. I'm going to pour half of that first. I'm going to scrape everything off the bottom of the frying pan. Everything. Scraping it up. And by the way, that was chicken gravy I had. I don't know if you can see, but you see the darkness down there? That's what you want to scrape up. That's the flavor. There's some more flavor here. I'm going to scrape that up. Okay, I'm going to put a drop more of water in here. Okay, so I'm going to call that 2 ounces of water we put in. Oh, Southern Smothered chicken and vegetables. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm going to cover this. I'm going to cut it off in 1 minute, and I'm going to pan up. Okay, let me pan up. Okay, guys. Look at this. Another view. Ow, it's hot. I gotta put it down. I did want to show you from this angle. I'm sorry. I'll have to deal with the heat. Ah, there we go. Okay. So let me taste. Okay. So let's see. Southern Smothered chicken, vegetables, and rice. Okay. Carrots and vegetables and rice. I'll get my rice. Now you could have put some flour over the chicken and vegetables and then added water to it. If you do that, add some chicken broth, the powdered form, so that you can bring that flavor up. Because the flour is bland, it is not flavored, okay? It works. You don't have to buy gravy, but you do have to bring that flavor up. Chicken. Wow, guys. What did I say? $4.17 for the meal. The rice I just threw in because it was left over in the refrigerator. So any leftovers is free. You've already used it, cooked it. Awesome. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one, okay? Subscribe. Thank you.